Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine out of Burnsville, Minnesota. Today we have for sale a 2000 5.7 liter GS Volvo Penta engine. It's a 5.7 GS PEFS. Came out of a 2000 Glastron. 190 on every cylinders. Got a fresh oil change, new plugs. Runs good. Yeah, good engine. Good Minnesota motor. What else? 526.5 hours. We'll fire it up here for you and let's turn it run. Let her warm up for a minute here. What you see is what you're going to get. Everything comes with it. Ready for them to drop in ready. Runs out really nice. Shut her off. That's the fuel pump you hear. If you're interested in it, give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com.